Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will look at the group by clause and having clause. In a database table, rows can be divided into groups. You can apply aggregate functions in each group. For example, to find the total number of faculty in each department, you need to group faculty into departments and count faculty in each department. SQL provides the group by clause. You can use the group by clause to group rows using the foreign syntax. So here's select from, well, this is the group by, and you can order and the group. Group by clause specifies how the rows are grouped. The group by clause is often used with aggregate functions. So here's example. We're going to get the number of faculty, total salary, minimum salary, maximum salary, minimum salary, and average salary in each department. So here's department ID. So we are going to select it by grouping the faculty ID, the department ID. So group the department ID. So now you get this group here, chemistry, how many faculty in the chemistry? 2. And CS is 3. So that is how you do it. It's group, you group this department ID. The columns to be grouped don't have to appear in the select clause. However, if you use an aggregate function in the select clause, all the individual columns in the select clause must be in the group by. So because here, this department ID has to be here, appear here, in order for this to work, to group this. Now, sometimes you don't need certain groups and you can exclude it or with some certain conditions. This is a having condition on the group. So this, the where is on the tuple and the having is on the group. And for example, this get the number of faculty, total salary, maximum salary, minimum salary, and average in each department except CS. So now you have this, everything here, you select and a group department ID, but you can exclude this department ID here is CS. And also you're going to eliminate the department with only 1 faculty. So the count is greater than 1. So that is here, the having clause. The having clause must always follow group by, and the conditions are related to the groups, not individual tuples. All right, so let's look at formatting query results. We're going to format query results, and we know how to change column heading using the alias. And so you can just use as to do that. And this is the some of this other things about formatting. You can specifically like how you're going to format the number and the characters. And so this is the so you can read this, the formatting. And so this is the formatting characters right here. All right, so I think that is all for this chapter. So this chapter we introduced the simple SQL statements. So I think essentially you just need to know how to do this definition, create tables, drop tables, and the and after table is created, and how do you add data, insert, and then modify using update, and you can delete some tuples, and then you could do a select statement to select things. So and this and review questions, and so you can find the answers from the my writing here. All right. Yeah. So please, well, the reason in this chapter I write it using Oracle, because Oracle is the most popular commercial database systems. So that is a very comprehensive and very large, and it's a lot of a large organization use it. So you in the future you may have to know Oracle database. MySQL database is a small one. It's kind of like a subset standard and of the Oracle database. So when we teach database system, and we use Oracle. All right, and those are the review questions and the programming exercises. And so please complete all this. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.